Ozone and Dentistry, a 180-year journey from discovery to holistic healing. And every healing journey has a history, and ozone, that sharp, fresh scent after a thunderstorm, has been part of medicine for nearly 2 centuries. Here's the fascinating part. It's a story that's not just about science, it's also about our relationship with nature, with energy and the sacred role of breath and water in healing. Let's talk about the early discoveries. In 1840, Christian Schoenbein first discovered ozone, naming it from the Greek word ozine, which is to smell. And that discovery opened a doorway into the invisible powers of nature. And by 1903, the city of Nice in France built the first municipal ozone water plant. Imagine that, whole communities drinking and bathing in water purified by ozone long before we understood the microbiome or environmental toxins. And then, during the First World War, German doctors used ozone to disinfect wounds and fight gangrene. They knew intuitively and scientifically that this element carried both purifying and life-preserving power. The rise of ozone in dentistry. In the 1920s and 1930s, ozone entered mainstream medicine and dentistry. Dentists began using it for cavities, root canal treatments, and gum infections. And it was different from the mechanical drills and chemical rinses of the time. And ozone worked with the body, neutralizing harmful microbes while calming inflamed tissues. And in a way, it mirrored the shamanic principle of balance and clearing what no longer serves so life force can flow again. And as medicine advanced, so did ozone therapy. And by the 1970s, medical ozone societies were established in Germany, in Cuba, and Russia, uniting science with clinical practice, modern times and holistic healing. Today, ozone is used around the world in dentistry and medicine, treating gum disease, disinfecting dental implants, and even supporting wound healing. But for me, as a holistic shamanic dentist, ozone is more than a clinical tool. It's a reminder that nature provides us with extraordinary allies. And when we harness ozone in water flossers, for example, it's not just about cleaning, not just about cleaning between the teeth, it's about soothing inflamed gums and reducing the microbial load, the bacterial load, and supporting the body's natural healing rhythms. It becomes both science and ceremony, a daily ritual that protects your mouth, calms your energy, and connects you with a lineage of healing that stretches back nearly 200 years. So when you hear the word ozone, don't think of it as a modern gimmick. Think of it as a timeless ally woven through history, rediscovered in every generation. And if you'd like to explore how ozone can become part of your own oral care and ritual, visit the Dental Shaman blog for deeper wisdom, or explore our Dental Shaman Ozone Water Flosser, designed to bring this ancient science into your daily life.